how's it going? Jonathan Dunkerley here, and today I wanted to show you how you could have $1,000 days as an affiliate marketer using this system that got these results in this account. See, yesterday was well over $1,000, and today is getting very, very close to hitting $1,000 already. And if you think that this is not a consistent thing that could be done, you can look at this. The entire year gross is almost $1 million, and net is over $815,000. So this can actually work, and I'm going to show you the system that can get these types of returns. It does take a little bit of work. It is not some sort of magic button. I'm going to show you all the manual ways that you could do this right now, and you could get started today from what you're going to learn in this video. And then I'm going to show you the secret hack so you can get to those $1,000 days even faster. So since we're talking about affiliate marketing, you can get an entire list of affiliate products that you could promote at. There are over 400 affiliate products that you could promote on this list. And whichever one works with your niche, you could go and promote it and start making money with this system today. Now, first, we're going to need a script. So I just go to ChatGPT, and you can just Google ChatGPT or go to chat.openai.com. So in this example, I was going to show you how you could use this tool to promote an affiliate product. So that secret weapon that's going to automate a lot of what I'm showing you is actually an affiliate product too. So you could go and promote that if you'd like. And I'm going to make a video promoting Shinify so I can get a commission when other people sign up for it. I asked it to write me a script for an AI video tool called Shinify. It takes your ideas and creates a money-making video in minutes. And then I said expand on this, and I gave it some notes on what kind of video I wanted, as well as gave it an example of a similar script. Now I'm going to send the message, and it's going to generate a script automatically for me. Just like that, I have a script promoting Shinify. Now, the next step, we're going to go to Midjourney, which Midjourney is a tool that generates images that we could use in a video. So we have our script, and now we're going to need to create the visuals. So you can go to midjourney.com. It is hosted in Discord. If you don't know what Discord is, it is a social media platform that mainly is geared towards communities and gamers, but they have an abundance of amazing tools that you could use in this platform. And if you need help setting it up, you can go down to this little corner here where it says Get Started. So with Midjourney, you're going to need some prompts to generate these images. So I like to grab them from ChatGPT so I could just put them in Midjourney, and I want it to be based off this script. So I've asked it to give me 5 Midjourney image prompts for the script above. They will go over a voiceover. I'm going to hit return or enter, and it generated me 5 different prompts that I could use to generate images for my video. I just need to pick one or more and copy the first one. I'm going to copy this one and go over to Discord. Once you have your Midjourney account, depending on the plan that you have, you could either go and generate your images directly in Midjourney's server, or you could install it in your Messenger or directly into a server that you just use just for Midjourney. And that is what I do. So I have Midjourney right here, and I have it installed in this channel. And you're going to do the /, and you're going to get Imagine. Then you'll paste in that prompt right here. And then there's going to be one last thing you're going to want to add so you can get the video to be vertical like this is -- AR, and then 9:16. And once that's done, just hit enter or return. It's going to generate you 4 images that are based off that prompt. And if the images don't turn out how you want, go and grab the next prompt that you have from ChatGPT and drop it in here and grab more images that you could use in your videos. Now, while those images are generating, we can go and grab our voiceover. I can grab our script right here, and we're going to go to a platform called 11 Labs. And this is 11 Labs. You could either clone your own voice by going over to Voice Labs, and you could do up to 10 different voice clones with just clips of your voice. But we're just going to go to this tab right here, and we're going to pick one of our stock voices. Whichever one you'd like, you could sample it by clicking the little play button, and we're going to paste our script in right here. If there's ever emojis or anything like that in the script, you can go ahead and delete those. And when we're ready, all we need to do is hit the generate button, and it's going to generate a human-sounding voiceover. Let's check it out.
Introducing Shinify, your shortcut to success. Got an idea? We've got the magic. Shinify, the AI video tool that turns your ideas into money-making TikToks in minutes. No more hours of editing or creative block. We've got the skills, experience, and expertise to make your content stand out. With Shinofi, you'll have access to a treasure trove of video making tools. From catchy intros to viral endings, we've got it all covered. Our mission is your success. Are you ready to turn your ideas into? Comment yes to learn more. Shine bright with Shinofi.
I don't know about you, but to me that turned out pretty fun. And if we're happy with the script, we're just going to hit download. So now back over in Discord, we have our 4 images. If we're happy with these, we can just hit upres and it will upres all 4 of these images and we could use them in our video. While these are generating the high resolution copies, I'm going to show you one optional option, and that is HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI avatar generator, and you can even take your voice from 11 Labs, bring it into HeyGen, and have the avatar speak in your own voice using a photo of you, which will look as realistic as this image. So HeyGen is optional. It does cost extra, and they have their own pricing. So if you wanted to, you could always use this, but it is an additional fee. And now we have our images from Midjourney, and I'm going to save all 4 of these. Now that we have everything that we need saved, we need to put it all together in an editor. You could use your favorite editor, or you could just go ahead and use CapCut, which is a free editor that you could use. There is a paid tier to CapCut, but everything that I'm about to show you, you could do with the free version. So once you're in CapCut and have created a free account, you can go and click Create New, and we're going to click 9:16. And it's opened up a new project for us to start our video. So I'm going to hit project, and I'm going to bring in my assets, which are my voiceover and my images. Now I'm going to drag the audio in, and then I'm going to add all 4 of these images. If you want to add more, feel free to add more images. A longer audio clip like this might need more images, but you could always adjust the length of these images just so they fill the entire audio. The next thing that we do is we click on the audio, we go over here to the left side, hit captions, we can hit auto caption, then we pick our language, in my case English, and just click generate. Then we would want to proofread our captions, and then we'd want to adjust any kind of font because it comes in this plain text, and we could change the font, move it wherever we want on the screen, and then I bet you want some music in your video. You can go over to audio and pick whichever song you want from their connected library and just hit the little plus button and adjust the length of the audio. I'm going to make it exactly the same length as the rest. You could even adjust the volume, make it quieter so you could hear the voiceover. And now your video is for the most part done. I just rushed through this, but you would have had to spend a good amount of time adding motion to these images so you could have some keyframing. This process of making this video probably will take you about an hour. But there is a quicker way because you could use the tool that I'm actually talking about in this video, which is called Shinofi. Shinofi will help you generate images like this that get you thousands of views, and then you could post them on multiple platforms over and over again. Look at this. You have the same video posted twice on the same platform, and each one is getting thousands of views. Then you could schedule them out on multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube using tools like Radar. And before I dive too deep into how you could do this with Shinofi, I wanted to show you a little hack. If you go to TikTok on your computer, you can go to the search field, and for instance, I am going to search for AI video tools. Then I'm going to hit search. So now I can look at all these different AI video tools. This one has 134,000. This one almost has 300,000 views. What I could do is I'll click on the video,
the AI tools,
then right click on it and click on view video details. And that's going to bring this version of the video up. You can click these 3 little dots and bring up the transcript. And now you can grab this transcript, throw it into ChatGPT, and have it rewrite it and create a video that is similar to a video that's already doing really well. So this is the tool that I'm talking about. It's called Shinofi, and right now it actually has a deal where it's usually $98 a month, but Shinofi has a special right now where it is only $499 per year, and I've already shown you how you could use AI to make videos that are going to make you money, and Shinofi will make those videos for you. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the AI tools, their SEO tools, and especially the Shinofi VIP section, which has abundance of tutorials that will help you make money. So once you log into Shinify, it used to be called ShineRanker. It's in the middle of a rebrand, just so you know why it says ShineRanker right here. The first thing that I would do is I go down to the bottom where it says ShineRanker VIP, which is now the Shinify VIP section. If you click on that, you're going to get all of these tutorials. And I was talking about affiliate products. If you go over here to where it says 400 plus AI tools, all of these are affiliate products that you can promote and make videos for and make money with affiliate marketing using AI, ChatGPT, and Shinify. Now, spend some time looking through these lists and taking this information because it is a treasure trove of value. So once you're done over here, go up here to where it says AI video tools. And we're going to click on this option right here where it says AI text to image. And we're going to click use tool. And this is going to generate videos that are very similar to what we just generated manually. Where it says enter an idea, I'm just going to drop in that same prompt that we used with Midjourney. And then I'm going to go down to this video tab. You could turn on accuracy and add in your own Midjourney authentication token, but it is not required. You could turn that off if you like to, and then go down here to where it says add captions and add animations. Adding captions will actually add captions to your video, just like in these videos right here, where there are closed captions in the video. And as you can see in these example videos, there's a whole bunch of different niches that these videos could make affiliate products for. The next tab that we're going to go to is for avatar. And this is the reason why I pointed out HeyGen to you, because if you would like to use an avatar, you're going to need to grab a HeyGen account that has API access and add in your API key here. And then you could even add in your own face like I did right here. And you could have a talking avatar in your video using HeyGen's API key. But I'm going to turn this off right now because I want to show you how to do this without using any additional API keys added. The next tab is voices, and again, you could turn on custom voices and add in 11 Labs API key. Don't forget to click this little check button because that check button will show that the API key actually is accepted. But if you're not using your own voice, you could turn custom voice off, and then you could pick from any of these included voices in the drop-down menu and sample it with a little play button. Now we go on to the next tab where we have our script. We could paste in the same script that we got from ChatGPT, but if you do not have ChatGPT 4 or you would like to keep it all in Shinify, there is an AI chatbot built in. You could ask it to write you a script right here, and you would be able to do it all directly in Shinify. Once you have that script, you can go back over to the AI video tool, and you could paste that in. And again, make sure that you take out any emojis. And then we go over to the final tab, which is music. We pick the song that we want to use, and we could sample it here, and when we're ready, we literally just hit generate. We have our video generating, and we're going to have videos that are created just like all of these videos right here. I have pages of videos that I have generated in different niches, some with avatars, some without avatars, and these videos are getting me leads to my affiliate products and to my email list. So now I hope you could see why the Shinify annual pass is a great deal, because you could be generating a bunch of videos that then you can go and schedule out again on platforms like Radar. And these videos are great for growing your email list and selling affiliate products and just getting people to see your offers. And this is really what says it all right here, where it says, it used to take me a couple hours to create something like this. I'm totally stoked now. They are 100% right that this used to take hours, and now you could do it in just a couple clicks. And just like that, we have a video generated. We could always just spin the script in ChatGPT or the AI chat tool and have a brand new video ready to go just by hitting that generate button. It was not that hard to hit one button. Hey, let me know in the comments if you think that this is harder than doing it manually, because to me, this is much easier. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this video and see what we got.
Introducing Shinify, your shortcut to success. Got an idea? We've got the magic. Shinify, the AI video tool that turns your ideas into money-making TikToks in minutes. No more hours of editing or creative block. We've got the skills, experience, and expertise to make your content stand out. With Shinify, you'll have access to a treasure trove of video-making tools. From catchy intros to viral endings, we've got it all covered. Our mission is your success. Are you ready to turn your ideas into money? Comment yes to learn more. Shine bright with Shinefy.
And that's pretty cool. It created that video, which now we can create a bunch more just like it that can promote affiliate links like Shinify. Now, I'm just showing you the system that you could use to create these $1,000 days. Again, it does take a little bit of work, a little bit of effort to get results like this. You're going to need to actually take the time. But one thing that I could tell you is that Shinify does take a lot of that time out of it. So if you could just hit the button, prep your script once, spin it a couple times, and generate these types of numbers, then wouldn't you want to do that? Now you can go and just do it manually, and you could take action and start doing that today. But if there's one thing that I know, time is money. And if there's one thing that Shinify does, is it takes your time and gives it back to you so you can go do other things, because these numbers are possible. Because look at this, almost $15,000 pending to be deposited into the bank. So $1,000 days are possible. It does take a little bit of effort, but this will make that curve much shorter. So again, comment yes if you like these videos, if you want to see more like this in the comments, and go start creating something, whether you do it manually like I showed you, or if you do it using a tool like Shinify to cut your time in half so you could go and do other things. Whatever you do, just go get started. Go start making money with affiliate marketing using this system online, and I will see you in the next video.